If you are looking for a drone that is beginner friendly, then you might want to check out the Holystone drones. Holystone is a popular brand in the drone industry and has a wide range of drones with different features and specifications. In this video we will look at some of the best Holystone drones for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. Holystone HS720E. If you are thinking about what is the best Holystone drone, especially for beginners, then the HS720E is a perfect choice for a beginner drone and an affordable drone. It is, and its easy to use mainframe makes it the best Holystone drone for beginners. Moreover, it can capture clear images and has impressive stability, which secures its place in the list of best drones in 2022. The HS720E comes with a 4K, which reduces blurring while shooting a video. Moreover, the Sony sensors allow you to take superior images instantly. Furthermore, the camera can capture images of 4K resolution, and the video resolution is 4K/30 fps. If you consider the price point, then it is a great deal. The remote control comes with 5 GHz transmission, allowing image transmission to be much smoother and more precise in 1640 feet. Moreover, it also enables you to take a 90-degree angle view of the field, which is also adjustable. The drone offers an advanced flight mode, which was previously on some advanced drones. It allows you to enable autopilot, or the drone will fly on its own in a specific flight path. And not to mention the minute to the flight of the HS720E, which is around 22 minutes. In contrast, most affordable drones provide from a 10-minute flight time to a 7-minute flight time. It also comes with a brushless motor that provides more power but with lesser noise. Moreover, the brushed motors allow you to enable a stable flight mode and faster drone flight. However, these motors provide a longer lifetime, decreasing the time and money you will have to spend on the drone. Number 2. Holystone HS720. The HS720 is a foldable drone that is perfect for long-range shoots with amazing camera stabilizations. It comes with some great features in an affordable range. Moreover, considering the build quality, it is one of the best quality drones in 2022 by far in that price range. It comes with a 4K UHD camera, and the camera has a shock absorption holder. So, you get high-quality images and videos at a resolution of 3840 by 2160 without any vibration. Moreover, it also comes with a 90-degree adjustable lens and a 5 GHz FPV transmission technology. The HS720 comes with GPS-assisted intelligent flight technology that ensures your drone's safe return home when it has a low battery or if the signal is lost. Moreover, it has multi-sensors that make hovering and stabilization way more straightforward, and the pictures are perfect in any environment. It has brushless low-power consuming motors that ensure longer flight time, almost up to 55 minutes. The engines are also quieter and have less vibration while flying, making picture taking and video recording much easier and no blurring issues. The control range that you get from the controller is around 2.4 GHz, allowing you to control the drone from a distance of almost 3,000 feet. Number 3. Holystone HS270. Anyone who likes to take selfies and wants a drone to take it, then the HS270 is the drone for you. It is one of the best Holystone drones out in the market for selfies and a low price range. Moreover, you can check the price on Amazon and consider the price. You will like the product and its features. It comes with a 2.7K UHD camera which captures clear and stable images. Moreover, the 5G transmission ensures crystal clear picture and video transmission. You also have a 90-degree adjustable angle viewer option. The HS270 has GPS positioning and an intelligent flight system. You can fly it on autopilot and also in a particular flight path. A one-key start and returns home technology allows you to bring back the drone if you somehow lose the signal. It is a foldable drone, so you can easily carry it anywhere. You can pack it in your backpack, and you are good to go on a tour. The product dimension is 16.85 x 11.61 3.15 inches, which is very compact. Moreover, the controller is also very durable and has a range of 1968 feet, and the FPV range is 1,300 feet. It provides a decent flight time of 18 minutes. It also comes with rechargeable batteries. The battery life is decent and can support your long-term usage. Number 4. Holystone HS700D. The HS700D is a great drone for adult beginners as it is compact and comes with a modular battery which provides more extended usage of the quadcopter. So, you get more time to practice and perfect your drone flying and image taking skill with the HS700D. According to the Amazon fulfillment form, it comes with a 4K FHD camera. However, there is speculation that the drone has 2K FHD, which upon our review, is not correct. The camera is adjustable with a 90-degree and a 110-degree FOV camera. It also has a 5G transmission and ensures real-time, high-quality video recording from 1640 feet to 2600 feet. The drone has a GPS to locate and return quickly. Moreover, you also have the option to set it on automatic hovering on you and your home or return back location. The drone can follow you, and also you can set a path. The product has a long battery life and provides you with 22 minutes of flight time easily. Moreover, the HS700D's intelligent battery capacity is 2800 mAh, which is sufficient for any beginner. Furthermore, you have low power alerts to have accurate readings of your battery. The brushless motor is powerful and maintenance-free, which is a great choice, especially for beginners. However, you do have the option to upgrade, such as adding quick-release propellers. Its controller is also easy to use, and it is a one-start key process to access the drone. When we saw the product info, we found you can lock the altitude and change propellers. The remote control has a 2.4 GHz frequency and also a 5 GHz Wi-Fi frequency. Number 5. Holystone HS510 GPS. If you are looking for a GPS FPV drone, then we recommend the HS510. It is one of those exclusive drones in 2022 which has a great image and video quality and does not bust the bank. However, it is not a drone for kids as it is primarily for professional use. It is a kind of professional drone as someone will have to navigate through the guideline. It uses every pixel and allows you to record 4K videos at 16 fps and 2.7K at 25 fps. The quadcopter is foldable and compact. Moreover, in the product info, we got the dimension which is 5.59 x 2.91 x 2.04. The HS510 has complete APP control, which provides GPS to follow me, tap fly, point of interest, and hovering around me. It also allows you to take stable and clear aerial shoots. Now, coming to the GPS and GLONASS navigation system, which ensures the safety of the drone. Moreover, you get optical flow positioning, return to home system, barometer, and satellite system. It has a brushless motor and aviation propellers, which allows you to get the best aerodynamic efficiency possible. However, it is also super quiet and powerful. The camera you have on the drone is a 10p,